Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to take you through the procedural process of making my organic hyperallergenic all-over lotion that you can use on your face, hands and body. I began making my own cosmetics due to allergies and sensitivities to the chemicals in cosmetics and other beauty products. Now I would like to share this with others suffering the same experience so that others can enjoy this silky smooth lotion as much as I do. The equipment that you will need are kitchen scales, cooking thermometer, 2 medium-sized saucepans, a stick mixer, a funnel and 3 250ml bottles that are clean and sterilised. The ingredients that you will need to make 3 bottles of 250ml lotion are jojoba oil 100 ml, olive emulse 25 grams, glycerine 25 ml, preservative 25 grams, lavender oil 6 drops, and lavender floral water 500 ml. Just to explain a bit further on this, you can actually substitute the jojoba oil for other oils like almond oil, coconut fractionated oil, olive emulse. You can use any other emulsifying wax that you want. You just, research that to find what you want to use. Preservative, you can use any preservative. I prefer to use a natural preservative like GeoGuard. Lavender oil, you can use any oil fragrance that you'd like, but it is preferable to use, pure essential oils. And with the floral water, you can either make your own floral water or you can buy it. You can get lavender floral water, rose floral water. There's all different types. Just do your research and find which one that you like the best and use that. Before we start, you can choose your preferred fragrance using essential oils, or you can make it unscented. I use lavender essential oil because of its calming properties. It is imperative when heating up the ingredients that you do not allow them to boil or overheat. You can use a double boiler if you prefer, but I just use 2 saucepans on very low heat on the stove. The oils will not emulsify properly if the water is not the same temperature when you add them together. I always heat up to 70 degrees and then add the water into oils. It will not work if you don't follow this process. The importance of emulsion. The emulsifying ingredients I use are glycerin and olive emulse. These are the components that make the water and oil-based ingredients combine with each other, causing the ingredients to become the lotion when they are blended together. Emulsified lotion is a lighter product that doesn't feel greasy on your skin and helps to moisturize your skin and stops it from drying out. Let's begin. Measure the oil-based ingredients and measure the water-based ingredients. First of all, add the jojoba oil and olive emulse to one pan. Turn it onto low heat. Patience is required for the oils to melt slowly. Once they are melted, add the fragrance. With the water-based ingredients, add the floral water, glycerine and the GeoGuard or whatever preservative you want to use to the other pan. These water-based ingredients will heat up quicker, so once they heat up to 70 degrees Celsius, take off the heat until the oils have melted. Next, it is important to make sure that both pans do not heat up too much. They both need to be 70 degrees Celsius before moving on to the next step. You may have to juggle a bit to get there by taking off the stove and waiting and testing with the cooking thermometer. Mixing the ingredients together. Once both pans are exactly 70 degrees Celsius, slowly pour the pan of water ingredients into the pan of oils. It is important that you put the water into the oils, otherwise they will not emulsify properly. Next, using the stick blender on the slow setting, mix ingredients until they become a light, creamy, slightly runny consistency. Do not overmix. If you do, it can become like curdled milk and will be no good. The lotion will thicken up on its own later. And trust me, I have thrown out plenty of lotion because it curdled on me and I did not follow the process to the T. We are on to the final steps. Line up your bottles on the counter, put the funnel in the first bottle, and then pour the lotion slowly into it. Move on to the second and the third bottle. Once you've poured all the lotion into the bottles, cap them all and then label them. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy your lotion as much as I enjoyed teaching you how to make it.